Hello friends, Namaskar. I am Dr. Maulik Shah, MD Pediatrics from Malad Vatsalya Super Specialty Child's Clinic, Mumbai. Today we are going to talk about or discuss about what one is supposed to do if he is coming across or met a confirmed COVID-19 patient, or maybe a person who is harboring the coronavirus and we have come in contact with that person. So, how do we come to know that the person is suffering from COVID-19 or is infected with coronavirus? No one knows, because there are many patients who are asymptomatic carriers. They don't have any symptoms. But what we need to be very assured is check whosoever we are meeting, whether the person is coughing or not, or if at all the person is coughing or sneezing, the person is having a proper mask word, and while speaking with you, you are maintaining a social distance, as well as the person is wearing mask constantly and without removing the mask he is talking with you. These things are really important. So even if you are coming in a contact with a case or infected person, the probability of you acquiring that infection is very less. Now say if at all it happens, like you have been with a person, you don't know about the status of the person, and over a period of time, maybe in 2 days, 3 days or 4 days, you come to know any one of that person's family member is COVID-19 disease, who is suffering from COVID-19 disease, from whom that person might have acquired. Maybe the potential source is the one whom you have met, or else you come to know that person himself or herself whom you have met has turned positive. Then what you are supposed to do? So see, there are 3 possible scenarios what can occur. First, the person is totally asymptomatic, the person doesn't suffer from COVID-19, he is just infected with the coronavirus. First. Second possibility is that person might fall sick but very milder symptoms. Okay, and third possibility is that person is having a florid symptoms and the person is hospitalized in ICU, or to be worse scenario, is been ventilated, or for that matter any of the family member of the person whom you have met has any of this classification, like first asymptomatic, second is mild symptomatic, or third is floridly symptomatic. Then what you are supposed to do in each and every scenario? So very important thing, anyways, since you have maintained the social distancing, maintain all the etiquettes, what we are, the new normal etiquettes what we say, we are not shaking hands, we are not going close, we are not hugging the person, we are maintaining a social distance while talking to the person, we are following the mask, the person is wearing mask, you are also wearing the mask. These all are fair enough etiquettes what we are following, and if we are assured that we have followed, first of all, do not get panicky, do not worry about it, because the probability of you acquiring that infection from that person is really small. Okay, so now coming to that part, what next? See, we are assured, or we are at least not in a panicky mode, because we know that we have maintained all the etiquettes well. Still we need to be cautious enough from the point of view that anyways we are in a contact. So just track that person, and for every one of us, download Arogya Setu app, keep on checking yourself, keep on taking your self-assessment again and again, maybe daily basis you can consider, or whenever you are having any particular symptom, say fever, say sore throat, say myalgia, whatever it is, whenever you are coming across the symptoms, just keep on self-assessment on Arogya Setu app. Keep that app when you are traveling. Keep that app's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi GPS signal on, so that it will just intimate you that you are come in contact with someone. And main thing is self-assessment repeatedly. So keep checking that. Now track that person. Now your part is done. So whenever you are getting symptoms, immediately meet up the doctor, get yourself tested, and tell the doctor that you have been in a contact with someone. Now track that person also. So as we said, 3 particular scenarios. First, if the person is totally asymptomatic, no need to worry. You just maintain social distancing at home also. If possible, stay in a separate room. Do not meet your parents or children. Or else, if it is really difficult that you cannot maintain these things, at least start wearing mask constantly at home also. And while having food or having water, see that you are maintaining quite a good distance from the family members. If the person turns mildly symptomatic, still no need to worry, but you need to be really prepared that you are going to stay this kind of quarantine, a self-quarantine system for a prolonged duration till that person comes negative or next 14 days. And third situation, if the person is having a florid disease, where the person is hospitalized in ICU or maybe in ventilator, or any of the family members are having such kind of situation, the probability of that person harboring lot of viruses, मतलब viral load बहुत ज़्यादा होने के chances बहुत ज़्यादा है. So in that situation, get yourself tested. Of it, today only I have received one message from a reliable source that the BMC has released the guidelines. From tomorrow onwards, everyone will be able to do the test without doctor's prescription also. But I won't suggest you directly to go for it. I would suggest you see your doctor, you inform your doctor that these all things have happened and the person is admitted in ICU. I want myself tested. Go ahead, have a prescription, get yourself tested. Once you are assured you are negative, forget everything. Forget this episode as a bad dream. That's all. Though, even if you are, if that person is having mild symptoms, still, if you wish, you can go and meet your doctor and you can get yourself tested if your doctor feels like that your clinical symptoms or clinical condition is such that you should get tested. Okay? Or else you develop any symptoms, then whatever be the status of that person, you have to get yourself tested, and then the further procedure can be followed. So to sum it up, first and foremost thing, do not panic, because panic will create problems and your brain will shatter down. So do not go in a panicky mode. Keep tracking your symptoms on Arogya Setu app. Keep tracking that person, what the person is going through, what kind of disease the person is going through, and keep a doctor, your family physician or a doctor in a loop that whatever is happening, you are informing the person. So he will be a best judge when you need to get tested, what next you should do, what all medicines you are supposed to take for a prophylactic basis, what care you are supposed to take at home, like a self-quarantine, and what else. Anyways, we have discussed this. That's all from today. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Hind. Let's fight with the corona together and let's be safe. Thank you.